mobile, and then I will play some other games for you guys. And tell me which ones you enjoy best. So I'm going to open up 3 Pro Packs on this, and then, well, maybe more. Yeah, we'll open up 4 Pro Packs on this, and we will see what we can get. Here's the first one. We get a, oh my god, that is amazing pull. We pulled an 83 Giannis and Antetokounmpo. That is great. In our first pack, we still have 3 more. And we pull a 75, that's not good. Can we get something fire? Oh my gosh, another Giannis Antetokounmpo. That has to go for a lot. I'm gonna check it. But first, we have a 6 trophy pack. And that was fucking trash. Let's see, can we get something, or can we get an elite? No, but we get an Eric Bledsoe, that's pretty good. Okay guys, next I am going, actually no, I'm going to stay on this, and I'm going to check the prices of Giannis. Wow. He goes for like 20k. That's sick. So that means I'll most likely be back with another video, like another pack opening later on. And then this Giannis, I think, might go for a little less. Yeah, I think he only goes for, it looks like, only about, well, what is he? Is he the shooting one? So for lineups, because there's like 5 different lineups, he's the shooting. And that actually goes for, wow, it goes for 30k. That is sick. I'm going to be back with another video, another pack opening later on. And then that Bledsoe must go for something. I don't know what he is. Let me check that real quick. Sorry guys. And then I will do some gameplay for you guys. He's a shooting. Yeah, he's shooting too. Here, I have to go 81. I know that my audio is very bad, and I don't mean it, because I don't know what happens when I make my videos. I don't even know what goes on with the audio. It's not my fault. Some people say it sounds like I'm crumpling up paper, and I'm not. It's just, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna post this for 5k. Okay, so now we're going to play, let's play some season mode. Oh, that's a pretty tough team, but we will use our 73 overall shooting lineup, which has Curry on it. And then we got this tip off, so we lost that tip off. But anyway, I'm using to see if I can win this. I was gonna post another video earlier, earlier this week, but for some reason it didn't record. It like stopped recording when I was recording. So I'm sorry because I haven't uploaded in a while, but I would have. But I guess you got a treat with this video. So we're losing by 2 points. We can't let them score. My goal is to win this game. Oh, come on.